Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the surface. Remove loose material and grease, and fill cracks larger than 2 mm so the paint bonds. Next, mix the waterproof cement paint to the manufacturer ratio. If they allow, add 1/2 water slowly to reach a brushable consistency. Once mixed, apply a primer or bonding agent on very porous areas to improve adhesion. Make sure to start at the highest point and work downward, keeping a wet edge to avoid lap marks. Once the primer is set, you move into full application. Cut in edges with a brush, then use a 9x roller for flat areas to maintain a consistent 2-3 mm wet film thickness. Apply the first full coat and let it dry per instructions, typically 4-6 hours depending on temperature and humidity. Make sure the ambient temperature is between 10 and 30 degrees for proper curing. Then stir the paint again, inspect for pinholes or thin spots, and be ready to recoat where coverage is insufficient. You finish by applying the final coat with steady overlap and uniform texture. This ensures water-shedding performance and even appearance. Once finished, clean brushes and rollers with water while paint is still wet, and store or discard leftovers according to label instructions. If you notice blistering, flaking, or poor adhesion after drying, remove the affected section back to sound substrate, let it dry fully, then reprime and reapply the waterproof paint. Finally, monitor the cured surface for 24-48 hours before exposure to heavy moisture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.